Welcome back, Betty Baker, to the Baking Boss chapter. My dear Betty Baker, I wanted to offer you my congratulations for successfully pulling off your online cookie business. Because of this, you are now thinking of opening a real bake shop and sell some of your best goods. Miss Go says that this will be your first summative assessment. Are you ready to play? Thanks for accepting the challenge. This is Level 3 Business Loan.
It has been a year since the global pandemic. Quarantine is officially over, and people are starting to get back on their feet. Because of this, the governing body is encouraging the citizens to start their business and help the economy by granting free business permits to all those who are willing to become new entrepreneurs. The only requirement is to secure a bank loan from the Bank of Hope. Stay tuned for more details. This has been Fire News, where news is always fresh and burning hot.
Oh my gosh. This is great news. My online business took off. This could be an opportunity. Should I get a bank loan? Since hearing the news, I gave the Bank of Hope a call. Madam Gold spoke to me about the requirements to submit a business proposal for a bank loan. She said that I have to decide on 3 products that I would be selling, make a photo essay containing the recipe, the steps on how to make it, costing, and my price. The bank wants to see if I will truly make a profit. Can I really do this?
Absolutely. Betty Baker, I think you can do it. Submit that photo essay business proposal to secure a bank loan and start your bake shop. This week, you only need to submit the first photo essay containing 1 proposed product. You may use Miss Go's homemade ice cream recipe or use the healthy version if you like that one better. Watch the video tutorials to help you get started.
Thanks, Assessment Sally. I hope there was an easier way to do this level. I need to create a photo essay business proposal from scratch.
I'm here to help you, Betty. To assist you, watch the video tutorial on costing and use any photo editing tool or website of your choice. Miss Go also prepared a template if you want it.
Thanks, Assessment Sally. That's totally going to help me. Do you think Madam Gold would grant me the business loan?
Of course you will get the business loan. You may check the rubrics if you are unsure. Your proposal must contain all the components and you'll be good to go. Completing this level will gain you XP. The number of XP awarded to you will be determined by your performance. Kindly check Miss Go's module and reminders found on the Google Classroom to know the rubrics of this task.